This is the bigger questions canvas to help you refocus, refine, and reframe your curiosities. The matrix on the bigger questions canvas is designed to help you formulate new versions of your existing questions so you can explore the same issue from multiple angles. It does this by simply helping you reword the question. The first word of your potential new questions is down the left-hand side of the matrix, and the second word is across the top. In the matrix itself, there are 36 spaces to draft new questions that pique your curiosity. How does your question seek different information by framing it as a what can, a where would, a why is, a who will, or an old faithful how might question? Across the bottom, you'll find 3 spots to capture the questions that look like they'll give you some really useful information for the specific challenge you're facing. Let's look at an example. You can start with the questions you have. No doubt your team or organisation has a ton of questions already, or maybe you've built one in a LEGO Serious Play workshop with us. We're going to work with a perennial one here. Can we bridge the gaps between teams? Let's bring it to the matrix. In order to answer our yes/no question of can we bridge the gaps between teams, we first need to dig in a little bit and explore it in different ways. I'm going to start by looking for opportunities to experiment with it by asking a where will question. In this case, where will teams naturally interact on existing projects? Next, I want to set that experiment up for success, and I'm going to do that with a who would question. Who would be strong collaboration ambassadors? Lastly, I want to call out any potential hurdles before we trip over them. So I'll pose a why might question. Why might teams struggle to work more closely together? These questions add structured nuance to an existing curiosity.